Scientology says it has ambitious plans for Russia. That follows a ruling by the European Court of Human Rights that Russia's refusal to recognize the group as a religion was illegal.
It's a privilege to call yourself a Scientologist, and it's something that you have to earn.
And they just did it. The Scientologist community in Russia, estimated at 100,000 people, has just won a legal battle to call their beliefs a religion. Their spokesperson says the ruling was long time coming.
We have waited for this decision for more than 8 years and never doubted it would be in our favor. We have big plans for Russia. Currently we have about 40 groups and we hope all of them will be soon recognized as churches.
The case was initiated by 2 Scientology branches in Russia that were earlier refused registration as religious organizations. To obtain this status, Russian law requires at least 15 years of operation, which the Church of Scientology lacked at the time of application. In a ruling that cannot be appealed, the Strasbourg court decided Russian legislation prevented Scientologists from exercising their religious freedoms, a reasoning that raised many eyebrows in Russia. Vladimir Ivanov, a Scientology sympathizer in the past, says the salvation promised by the group doesn't come cheap.
This organization has no right to call itself a church. It's a sophisticated financial pyramid whose main goal is, through psychological pressure, to pump money out of people or make them serve for church personnel for absolute pennies. The only reason why they want to be called a church is to avoid paying taxes.
While it's been active in Europe for decades, the Church of Scientology has long struggled to gain the status of a religion. The US State Department has criticized Belgium, Germany and other European countries for labeling Scientology a cult or a sect and passing laws to restrict its operations.
Even in France, home to the European Court of Human Rights, the Church of Scientology isn't recognized as a religion. In fact, a Paris court is currently hearing a case that may eventually see the organization dissolved in the country.
The Church of Scientology has been involved in several money scandals, but this time it's the Russian government that was ordered to pay $30,000 in damages and costs. Oksana Boyko, RT, Moscow.